Welcome to my channel. For the upcoming videos, you can subscribe my channel. In this channel, I give you updates on abroad education, latest technologies, scholarships from different universities, organizations and countries, and job vacancies in India. 10 ways to study abroad. Traversing the globe as a writer and marketing consultant, Olivia writes for Go Overseas about topics including gap years and general travel advice. Thanks to a wealth of information available on the internet and social media's punch for inspiring travel goals, college and high school students are earning to study abroad more than ever. With the abundance of resources, however, comes information overload. Lucky for you, there isn't just one path to studying abroad. We sifted through the digital noise and reviewed some of the most popular ways to study abroad and how to get started. Now you will be less worried about how and more excited about when. Let us dive in. Here are 10 creative ways to study abroad and experience a new destination. Point number 1. Book a study abroad program through your university. Students traditionally study abroad through their college or university because there are some memorandum of understandings with some foreign universities like SRM University, WIT University and KL University. And your university alumni will help you a lot if they are working abroad. Often considered the easiest way to book a program, study abroad credits are almost guaranteed to fit your academic requirements, and primary fees often link directly to your tuition payments. You can inquire about study abroad opportunities available through your school by reaching out to your on-campus program counselor or browsing your school study abroad online portal. Point number 2, find study abroad programs through a third-party provider. Just as not all schools are created equal, not all study abroad programs through universities are the same either. In your university, if your university does not have a program with the focus, location or dates that you are looking for, don't give up there and assume you are not destined to study abroad. Sometimes universities with few studies abroad option will have already established relationships with a couple of program providers, meaning your credits will transfer easily. So check with your academic counselor or study abroad office for recommendations. If your school does not have any established relationships, you can start your research by searching. Third point, enroll directly with a university overseas. Another way to study abroad that not many students think of is by directly enrolling in a university overseas. Rather than going through an organized program with your home school or a third party, you can directly enroll for a semester or a full degree at a university abroad. Do note, however, that if you are applying for a university that does not provide courses in English, you will have to already have a pretty good grasp of the local language. Not to worry, you are one step ahead and rounded up a list of international universities to teach in English. Just be sure the international universities credits are transferable if you would like to complete your degree at your home school. Point number 4, take a global independent study. Are you working on a big project or academic paper within your major and the study abroad programs you have researched just seem too generic? Perhaps this project might be essential to the next phase of your academic and professional career even. If this sounds like you, a global independent study overseas might be just what you need. While these types of study abroad opportunities are similar to booking a program through your school, you will have to reach out to a professor, academic counselor, and your study abroad office. They stand out because of their size, requirements, and niche focus. Supplement your learning with the field research abroad. Do you thrive in hands-on learning environments and can't stand the thought of sitting in at another classroom, even if it is in another country? There is a special type of study abroad for you. Consider programs like Institute for Field Research that will get you down and dirty in archaeological digs, or Ecotir that will help you dive off the coast of Malaysia to research marine life. Regardless of what you are looking for, there is likely a field research program for it. Point number 6, internship for school credit. Though interning abroad is usually considered the next step after college in order to get a job, you can still intern abroad for school credit before graduation day. These pre-entry level job opportunities may be unpaid, but they offer a wealth of learning opportunities while meeting academic requirements. Remember, be sure to get intern program, be a peer approved to ensure the hours and internship time meet your home school's credit requirements. Study abroad through a student exchange. Have you ever considered swapping places with an international student just to see what a semester or year in their shoes would be like? Well, you are in luck because that's totally a thing. Student exchange programs are most common in universities, but you can be available for high school students too. Usually for a shorter duration, high school exchange programs include language learning and cultural immersion. Point number 8. Start early with a high school study abroad program. If you want to get a jump start on your study abroad experiences and an exchange program, it's not an option. Going abroad is in high school is still a popular and viable option. High school study abroad programs can take place during the summer and school breaks or the full year. Browse hundreds of high school study abroad programs listed on and rated by real students to get started. And point number 9, that is, get supported by the federal government to study abroad. Did you know the Department of State and federal agencies fund study abroad opportunities for students of all ages? Whether you are in grade 12 or in a college or university, you can enhance your education and project research by applying to their partnered programs. Learn more about study and research abroad opportunities supported by the federal government on the US Department of State's website. Last point number 10, enroll at a language school abroad. Whether you are still enrolled in college, haven't yet started, or graduated long ago, another way you can study abroad is by enrolling a language school abroad. Language schools are a popular option because they are often affordable, fun, and don't usually as much extra paper work and applications as a traditional study abroad program. If you find this video useful and interesting, please subscribe my channel, share among your friends, and press the bell icon. Wish you all the success. If you have any queries, please ask me. I will definitely reply. Thank you very much once again. May God bless you. See you in the next video.